Hi, my name is Jason Thorne, and I want to introduce you to Mindmeister. Mindmeister is a powerful tool for building mind maps. Mind maps are useful for starting with a central idea and branching outwards. The screen you see is the beginnings of my mind map. You can start your own by going to mindmeister.com and creating an account. You'll need your email and to create a username and password. I want to introduce you to some of the tools that you're going to find useful when using Mindmeister. You can see my central idea is why I use Mindmeister, and then branches out from there. When I want to add an idea, I select the idea I want to build onto. For this example, I'll build onto team by selecting team and then hitting the plus button in the upper left-hand side. I can also hit the enter key or the tab key. I'll add Team Red. By clicking anywhere in the gray area, I will add that idea. To navigate around your mind map, click, hold, and drag on the gray area. You can then pan around and view different areas of your mind map. You can see that I have a mind map that was previously covered up on the right-hand side. The next tool is connections. You can build connections with these arrows. I have a blue, a red, and a green connection that I have added to show additional connections to ideas. To make your own connection, you can choose the idea you want to build onto. For this example, I will choose Build Your Own Ideas. Then click on the arrow button in the upper left-hand side, and then the idea you want to connect to. For this one, I'll connect to devices. Now I've created a connection. By clicking on this white dot, I can change the color of that line as well as add a label. Next feature I'd like to show you is on the right-hand side. In the toolbar on the right-hand side, you can adjust format similarly to how you would in Microsoft Word. Select the text you want to change and then go through your options of size, bold, italics, or color. You can also add icons such as the green or the blue flag by selecting the text and then choosing from the icons. Additionally, you can add images. For example, scalable doesn't have an image. By selecting scalable, I can then go to the images icon and then pick from their list. If I want to add my own, I would have to use a paid-for version of Mindmeister. Now I have an image with scalable. On the bottom side of that toolbar is Tasks, Files, Links, and Notes. For Tasks, you can see examples by looking at the green team and the blue team. I have added what the priority level is, when the due date is, and who is in that group. If I want to add more members to my mind map, by going to the bottom left-hand side and clicking on Private, I can share my mind map and invite people. I enter their email address and choose if I want them to edit or just view the mind map. By only viewing the mind map, they cannot change the mind map. Next is Files. To use Files, you need to use a paid-for version of Mindmeister. It allows you to add files that might be associated with some of the ideas in your mind map. Links is the next on the list. Links allow you to connect to other websites. If you want someone to click on an idea and connect to a website, you can choose that one. Finally is Notes. Notes allows you to build an idea and add some background onto that idea. An example you can see is seeing trends in an idea. By holding my mouse over there, you can see the note. You can also see it on the right-hand side where it says Behind the Scenes. On the bottom, you can see the history bar. By clicking on the history button, adjusting the speed to the desired speed, and going to the beginning, you can see me build my mind map. By clicking the history button again, I can make that disappear. Presentation is the next one. By clicking the presentation button, selecting the slide I want, and then clicking slideshow, I can go through my slideshow. I hope you enjoyed learning about Mindmeister. Thanks for watching my video.